rods are out, the place rigs are on. Let's catch some fish. Bass on place today, target species. Just off the in on the beach in Haylen Island. Been here about 15 minutes now. There's another guy just over the way there. His name's Adam. Never seen him before, but he's doing exactly the same, but just drifting. Whereas I would just rather stay on the spot and chill out. Fingers crossed, get some good bites. Well guys, I've been here about an hour and a half, maybe two max. I've not had anything, not a single bite. A little bit quiet. High tide in roughly an hour. I say roughly because I haven't got my watch, but just looking at the beach there, about an hour's time. So I'm kind of hoping some action happens very shortly. There's a couple of kayakers out here now. Apart from the guy I met earlier, Adam, there's someone else over there. I'm not sure what his name is or who it could be, I can't tell. But it's just an absolutely perfect day. And just to top it off, it would be nice to haul something in. So hopefully when I turn the camera back on, I'll have something to show you. Until then, well, today is very slow. I've been in the same spot now for maybe just over 3 hours. High tide has passed a little while ago now. I've had one bite. It did get me a little excited, but it was nothing to even lift the rod out the holder for it, but it was a definite bite. I've still got maybe quarter pound of rag left. So what I'll do is I'll stay in this position. It's a glorious day. Sun's out, cloud covers pretty much going now, so it's nice and warm. And just fingers crossed that with the last of the rag I've got left, I managed to bag something. We'll have to wait and see, won't we? A little frustrating today. However, it's absolutely lovely, so you can't complain about that. You know, one more hour, let's see what happens.